Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from journal proper, in which we are going to discuss opening entry. We will find this question on page number 116, question number 3. Before starting the problem, we have to know about, in the opening entry we have to find capital. How you are going to find the capital means with the help of this formula. Capital is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. And here is the pro forma for writing opening entry: date, particulars, LF, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. There are 5 columns while writing opening entry. Again I am repeating: date, particulars, LF, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. Let's see how to solve this problem. Record the opening entry from the following assets and liabilities as on 1st May 2019. So, opening entry as on 1st May 2019. First May 2019. We have to write all the assets first, then we have to write the liabilities. Total assets minus total liabilities will give you the capital. We have to find the capital in this problem as well while writing the opening entry. Here machinery 16,000. So, machinery account debit. Bank is an asset, so write here bank account debit. Bills receivable account debit. Sundry creditor is a liability, so accept sundry creditor, leave for a time being, keep aside the sundry creditor and go for any other asset which is given in the question. Trademarks is an asset. Trademarks account debit. Cash account debit. So, no other asset and liabilities is mentioned. We left and we have keep aside one liability called as to sundry creditors account, to capital account, which we have to find. Write the narration: being last year balances has been brought forwarded. So, here we have to find the capital. How you are going to find the capital? With the help of this formula. Capital is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Let's see how much is the total asset and total liabilities. What is the amount of machinery? 16,000. 16,000. Bank 12,000. So, 12,000 is the bank. Bills receivable 14,000. 14,000 is the bills receivable amount, and which comes under debit side because it's an asset. 10,000 rupees is the for sundry creditors, we will write later. 8,000 for trademarks. The amount of trademarks is 8,000, whereas 10,000 rupees cash. 10,000. And we have left one amount which is called as sundry creditors amount, 10,000 rupees. So, sundry creditors means it comes under credit side, 10,000 rupees. So, let us check the total of asset and total of liabilities. We do not have more liabilities, we are having only one liability, 2 sundry creditors. So, we know the total of liabilities, which is 10,000. Just we will go through with the total of assets. Assets total 16,000, 12,000, 14,000, 8,000, 10,000. Do not use calculator at any cost under any circumstances. You are not allowed to use calculator by the instruction of Board of Intermediate. So what is the total means? You have to add all these. 6 plus 4, 10, 10, 20, 50. One, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 60,000 is the total. Total asset is 60,000. Let's find capital. How you are going to find? Capital is equal to total of asset. Total of asset 60,000 minus total of liabilities 10,000. 60,000 minus 10,000 is 50,000 rupees, which is nothing but your capital. So how much is the capital now? 50,000. This is how you are going to solve the problem. The opening entry as on 1st May 2019 is machinery account debit, bank account debit, bills receivable account debit, trademarks account debit, cash account debit, to sundry creditors, to capital account. Just now we have found the capital. How? After writing all the asset total, the asset total is 60,000, the liabilities total is 10,000. Capital is equal to total assets minus total liabilities, 60,000 minus 10,000. 60,000 minus 10,000 is 50,000. This is your answer. Capital is 50,000. Here you have to write the capital 50,000. So what is the journal entry now? Machinery account debit, bank account debit, bills receivable account debit, trade accounts debit, trademarks account debit, cash account debit, to sundry creditors account, to capital account, 50,000 being last year balances has been brought forwarded. This is how you are going to write the opening entry. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you everyone.